Children can learn a language without grammar books, without memorizing vocabulary, and without stress. But you? You study for years and still struggle to speak. So what's the difference? Today, I'll show you how to learn English like a child and why it works. The truth about children. Children don't learn language by studying. They learn by experiencing it. They listen all the time, copy what they hear, make mistakes without fear. They don't try to be perfect. They just try to communicate. Why adults struggle? Adults do the opposite. You focus too much on grammar rules, correct sentences, avoiding mistakes, and you often think in your native language, translate into English. This slows you down. The core principle. If you want to learn like a child, focus on input, not perfection. Because understanding comes before speaking. 5 ways to learn like a child. 1. Listen a lot. Children hear language every day. You should too. Podcasts, videos, conversations. Even if you don't understand everything, keep listening. 2. Copy, don't analyze. Children don't study grammar. They copy sounds. You should. Repeat sentences. Do shadowing. Copy pronunciation and rhythm. Your mouth learns by imitation. 3. Speak without fear. Children make hundreds of mistakes, and they don't care. You should. Speak simply. Speak often. Accept mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. 4. Learn in context. Children learn words in real situations, not from lists. Instead of memorizing vocabulary, do this. Learn words in sentences. Learn phrases and expressions. 5. Be consistent every day. Children learn slowly, but every day. That's the secret. 10, 20 minutes daily, not 5 hours once a week. Consistency builds fluency. What will change? When you learn like a child, you feel less pressure. You understand more naturally. You speak more freely because you stop overthinking and start using the language. So remember, don't learn English like a student. Learn it like a child. Because you don't become fluent by studying perfectly. You become fluent by using English every day. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.